state of Meghalaya, which is where we are, Shillong being the capital city. There's a large Christian population, so churches are very important here, and there are many. They are beautiful. People also seem to be very pious. When you go into the shops, you'll always see a Christ, symbol of Christ, like a cross. Most people are always wearing a cross around the neck as well. God-fearing, I think. Being told Sunday Mass is a big thing here. The very famous cafe here called Dillon Cafe. Let's go check it out. I'm being told it's where I think it's just dedicated to Bob Dylan. Very popular band culture in Shillong. A lot of live bands and local bands that play. Unfortunately, because of the current situation, 10 o'clock is a deadline that everybody has to adhere to. So all the bars shut early. And not many bands playing, otherwise I think this is known to be the rock capital of India. A lot of bands come here. In fact, even the Scorpions have come here. We're going to try and cross this road, old school. Jump across somehow without trying to die. Here we go. There I go. Okay. I think Dillon Cafe is here. I'm just gonna walk. Figure it out. I don't have my maps on, so I guess we'll just have to wander. So, guest house. Tripura Castle, hideaway. Maybe I can ask somebody. It's called a landmark, so maybe we will know. Guest house. That's this guy. Excuse me, Dillon Cafe here? This is Dillon's Cafe. You just walk up. Thank you. That is Dillon's Cafe. It's 5 years old. I'm open. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man. Yep, as expected. It is a tribute to Bob Dylan. That's pretty accurate. Here we go. That's also Jimmy, David, all the work is for sale. Yum! It's had a huge brunch, polished off the full English breakfast, so I don't think I can have anything to eat. But I tell you what, the view from here is it's pretty awesome, I gotta say. Definitely be coming and hanging out here. Wow. Check out those homes up there. Beautiful. Maybe we should just walk there. Oh, this is nice. Very charming. Okay, so I'm gonna try and figure out How to get up to those mountains? I think this is like a government area. It's very beautiful, very strong. Let's just come down that road. See? That was Dillon's Cafe. Now we're gonna go walk up as far as we can go, as long as they allow it. Those homes up there, I wonder if you can see. Very quintessential English countryside. Yep, definitely guest houses. CPWD complex. I think there's a fancy hotel here. It's called the Tripura Castle. Let's go have a look. I wonder, it's right up there. That little thing peeking through those two buildings. Hello! Hey babies. Oh, JKR. Okay. I don't know why I know this. This is the narrow streets of Shillong. Off the beaten track. We'll be going through the beaten track too. Just wandered in here because it looked so nice. I think that up there is the Tripura Castle. Let's go check it out. Not much of a castle, but you know, it's perched on top of that little hill there. I think it's called that. Maybe it's got something to do with the royal family of Tripura. They have a very strong presence in all of the northeast even today. Let's see. Little uphill work here. Let's go check it out. That's definitely it. Tripura Castle. भैया ये त्रिपुरा कासल है इधर कितना दूर है? काफी दूर है क्या? चल के जा सकते हैं? कितना टाइम लगेगा? काफी दूर है। चल के जाना होता है ऊपर? चढ़ाई है? गाड़ी से जाना चाहिए, है ना? चलो ठीक है, चलो चल ही लेते हैं, अभी इतनी दूर है, इतनी दूर आए तो चले जाते हैं धीरे धीरे. So it's about 20 minutes up this route. Come this far, might as well do the rest. Seems so nice and peaceful here. Quiet streets. There'll be some big homes behind these heavy doors. Another small store selling knickknacks. You can hear the kids play some football. Football's a big sport here. Look at that. Isn't that charming? Wow. That's beautiful. That's another state circuit house. Arunachal Pradesh. Beautiful homes. See how lovely they are? God. Look at the birds chirping. This one. Gosh. The flower pots. Wow, wow, wow. This must be a posh part of town. The architecture there. You see it? I think they'll kick us out, but I'll still try and go inside. Pretty sure they'll kick us out. Well, no worries. Maybe a little gander. Look at that. Ooh, it's nice. Is this Scottish or German? No wonder. It's beautiful, whatever it is. Look at those cute little kids coming back from school. Hi. Okay, there we go. Back uphill. Look at this one. Wow. A beautiful house. It's a bit of a steep climb here. Yeah. It's all government homes. The residential quarters of water department. Maybe I can manage to get a lift. Let me ask him. Very nice. Oh. भैया त्रिपुरा हाउस तक ले जाएंगे? Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Where is this? Okay, thank you. Oh, that's sweet enough. Give me a lift. Tripura house. कितना दूर है यहाँ से? There was a signboard that said drinking of alcohol. Maybe you can read it here. Let's see. Smoking and use of prohibited language strictly prohibited. Use of bad language is strictly prohibited. This is the Heritage Club, Tripura House. Oh, Tripura Council. So it's private property. अच्छा, होटल ये है? होटल यही है? आगे जाके
वहाँ पे कैफे में जा सकते हैं।
अच्छा
कैफे है।
अच्छा ओके That's Heritage Club. I think this belongs to the Maharaja of Tripura. ये कैफे है? चलिए थैंक यू भैया। ये महाराजा का है क्या?
जी जी।
त्रिपुरा के महाराजा। अच्छा चलो थैंक यू वेरी मच। मदद कर दी आपने। ओके the cafe. Is that the entrance? That's somebody's house. I don't know. I think this is the cafe. Oh, this is the cafe. You can stay here. Look at those rooms. Oh, maybe I'll consider it. It's empty. Well, it looks pretty cool, huh? Hello. Open?
Yes sir.
Achha. Should we have a cup of tea here? I think we should have a cup of tea. Look at this place. Wow. बंद है? बाहर का? Oh, sliding door. Thank you. Look at that. Sweet. That looks like a nice church right there. Should go check that out. Green, green, green. Look at that. I don't know what that is. Can you see it? That looks pretty cool. Let me see if I can get it for you guys. It's a nice house. Big one. Is that the palace? No, it's not the palace. Let's check it out. We'll find the palace. It's a cool view, huh? It's called Heritage Club. This place. Look at the cricket. Maybe I'll watch the match here. Could have watched the match. I missed the match. Really cool, man. Some nice homes there. Check that one. Oh, see, there you go. That was nice. Very cool. A little walkway up. Alright. Well, like I said, I just ate a big meal, so don't think I can do official Barcelona jersey. Somebody went there. It's pretty cool. It's got Xavi on it. Puyol on it. Looks like some big football fans here. Like I said, Meghalaya is big on, very big on football. Not so much cricket here. Let's go see if we can sneak into the palace. Oops. I wonder if lost. Looks like a private property, man. I don't know if it's the hotel or... Oh, we'll check it out.